So, today I'm going to teach you how to install SPC vinyl flooring, 100% waterproof, and show you how simple, how fast, and how easy it is to do it. If you ever played Lego as a little kid, this is how simple it is. So you remove the plank out of the box, you let it sit for a couple hours just to acclimate, and then you take one plank, put it next to each other, align them right, slide it for dusk, lock it, literally like you did Lego as a little kid. And then you take the end piece, you put it right on top, you click it, literally like you play with Lego as a little kid, and you keep going. From there on, you just slide the next piece and continue. Once you arrive to the end of the installation and to the nearest wall, you just cut this with a utility knife. That's how simple it is to install SPC flooring. All of you DIYs, this is heaven for you. We have hundreds of colors in stock. If you guys want to stop by over here in our showroom, we will show you exactly how to install it. You can buy it right there on the spot, take it home, install it within minutes. And I'm going to repeat myself. As a little kid, if you ever play Lego, this is how simple it is. This is for DIY. This is heaven for you guys. Come on over to the Flooring King.